Hi guys, I'm Greg from ZE Partner. Today's video is going to be the first in a series of videos showing you how to add a subform to your deal on Zoho CRM. And then in future videos, it'll be how to create invoices and estimates and quotes automatically in the background and send those out to your clients based on actions within the deal. But today's video, I'm just going to show you how to create the subform in your deal that will then allow you to add your products into the deal. So in Zoho CRM, let's go to settings, and under customization, modules and fields, we want to click on deals, and now we want to click on standard, and now we want to bring in a subform, and we'll just pop that there, and we'll call this products and services. Now we want to add a field here, and our first field is going to be a lookup field. And we're going to look up our products, and we'll just call this product name. So now what we want to do is we want to add a field, but we want to add a field from a field of lookup module, and this is going to be the field from our products lookup. Okay, and so we want to add in the description, and we want to add in the quantity, not that quantity there. Excuse me, we'll make the quantity ourselves. So we want to go unit price. And then what we want to do is we want to add a new field. And this is going to be our number field. And we're going to call this quantity. Now we're going to drag that to there. And now what we need is we need a formula field. There it is. And this will be called product total. Let's call it that for ease of use. Now, this is important. The formula return type is going to be currency. And now what we want to do is we want to say that our formula is the quantity multiply the unit price. Okay, so we'll check our syntax and that works. So we go done. Now what we want to do is we want to add an aggregate field, and we want to call this aggregate field our total. And it'll be a sum of the product total. Okay, now we go save and close. So now we go over to one of our test deals, and we open it up. And if we now edit this deal, we can now add our products and services directly to our deal. So we'll say test product 1, and our quantity will be 3, and test product 2, and our quantity will be 1. And test product 3, and our quantity will be 5. Now, bear in mind, it would pull in the description, but I haven't actually made descriptions on these test products. Now, another good thing for you to know is you can dynamically edit the description of these items. So you can write in a new description if you want to for the products for this particular quote. For example, if one of your services is consultation by the hour, you could add that on here. You could write the number of hours in the quantity, and then in the description, you could describe the consulting you're going to do for this particular client. I don't usually recommend having dynamic descriptions for your products. I prefer when clients have a fixed description and they just leave it as is, but that's your call. Okay, so now what we do is we click save. And now in a future video, what we'll do is I'll show you how to action things automatically based on what happens when you add products or change products on the deal. You could also have a button up at the top here. I don't have any buttons at the moment, but you could have a button that you click to say create quote. You could do it manually, of course. You could just click create quote here, but this involves a whole bunch of duplication, copying and pasting, and all of that's completely wasted time. So the best thing is to have a button that automatically goes ping, takes all your products and services, takes the details from the account, takes the details from the deal, and creates a quote for you straight away there. Now, what I like to do is I like to keep my quotes inside Zoho CRM, but once the person's accepted the quote, then I create the invoice, not in Zoho CRM, but in Zoho Books. And in a future video, I'll show you how to do that and how to link books to your Zoho CRM. But that's it for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment, because that really helps me. Thank you very much.